Bubble wrap is satisfying, but you can only use it once. Now that pop is done. What if there was something just as satisfying that you could pop over and over again? Yes, my fidget wall. But once they are popped down, I have to spend a bunch of time popping them back up again until today. I'm spending over 10 hours putting 3,200 of these super sticky circles called Gecko Bond tops on every single pop socket. These Gecko Bond tops are made to let you mount your phone to any flat surface. See, it's how I'm easily filming this video hands-free. But using the Gecko Bond tops the wrong way, I just made, well, reusable bubble wrap. Up, down, popping over and over again. Oh, it's so satisfying. 2 fingers let you pull them up, and then 1 finger lets you push them down. And how easy these super sticky Gecko Bond tops are to use is really satisfying too. Go check the link in my bio if you want one.